Hello again, welcome to my channel, here for another session of pack opening. This time we're gonna do the Team Heroes large bundle, the 10k one. Let's get it started. Alright, let's start it off with a bang. Need an ultimate flashback. Barrier, Real Madrid Team Chris, Mark Bartra, 2 elites. Powders. Door, 2 elites. Just with guaranteed team here. I am the king. The king. That's the queen. Good neck, I can never say his name. David Villa. This one's gonna be a reveal all pack. Reveal all. Isco. Onto a 4th pack. Side. It's through. Rafael. Casco. Our final pack, and then it's the topper. Come on. Come on. Nangolan. Oh, Cheju. Yes, I got the best one. Cheju. Welcome. Now for the topper. Please let it be Naldo. Please let it be a CB or GK. CB, please. Send it forward. Isn't it? Alright. Let's pop open. You know what? I'm gonna save these little cash I have left for later on when we get new packs. I'll do a 5,000 bundle. Let's see how much it goes for on the market. Tonight. Easy win, yeah. Probably 900k. 950. Yeah, that's horrible. 850, even worse. Alright, I'll take it. This is my team. Cast me far away. Cash me outside, how about that? Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More pack opening coming soon.